Amidst the stifling heat of early summer, when concrete houses turn suffocating, a man conceives an idea that borders on madness. To hand hollow a colossal solid boulder into a cool sanctuary for his wife and young daughter. Without excavators or heavy machinery, the young father embraces this ultimate trial armed only with handheld power tools and an unyielding resolve. As the first drill starts, marking the dawn of an epic journey, the roar of the engine blends into clouds of dust, and the stubborn stone begins to yield to human perseverance. To conquer nature's raw stubbornness, he meticulously uses a core drill, carving out hundreds of overlapping perfect circles along the entrance contour, resembling a piece of installation art on the rugged stone surface. As each cylindrical stone core is extracted, leaving behind strategic gaps, he applies a traditional wedge and feather technique. The rhythmic, sharp clangs of the hammer exert immense internal pressure, cleanly fracturing the massive rock sections to pave the way for a future home. Moving deeper into the heart of the boulder, the challenge grows grimmer as the space narrows, the air turns stifling, and darkness closes in, leaving a small electric fan as a sole companion to sustain his breath through the thick stone bank. There are moments when his arms grow numb and sweat pours down his face, yet his gaze never betrays a hint of surrender, for he knows that behind every stripped layer of hard rock lies a naturally cool haven where his daughter can play and his wife can peacefully unwind. After countless grueling days and nights, the once crude boulder transforms into a solid, perfectly squared room, its walls intricately textured with natural stone patterns. Carefully clearing the final debris and sweeping away the dust, he prepares to welcome the most precious guests of his life into a masterpiece forged by family love. This sanctuary hidden deep within the stone, cool in the summer, warm in the winter, stands as living proof that when love is deep enough, humans can literally move mountains and turn the impossible into reality.